Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable guest mode on your Microsoft Edge web browser. So pretty straightforward process there, guys, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu. Just left click on the Start button one time. Type in regedit, so regedit. Best result should come back a registry editor. You want to right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select Yes. Now before you proceed in the registry, I would suggest that you create a backup of it. So if anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. In order to create the backup, all you have to do is select the File tab and then Export. File name, I'd recommend naming it the date in which you're making the backup. Make sure export range is kept to all and then save it to a convenient location on your computer. And if you ever need to import it back, you just would select File and then Import and navigate to set file location. So again, very straightforward process. And now we are ready to begin. So you want to start by double clicking on the HK local machine folder. Do the same thing now for the software folder. Same thing for policies. And then there should be a Microsoft folder. Double click on that. And then finally, if you see an Edge folder in here, just left click on it one time. If you don't see an Edge folder in here, we're going to have to create it. So in order to do that, you just would right click on the Microsoft folder up at the top here, select New, and then Key. Type in Edge, EDGE, again exactly how it appears on my screen. So Edge, hit Enter on your keyboard. Once that's selected here on the right panel, you want to right click in a blank area, select New, and then select the word 32-bit value. In this value data field, you want to type in browser guest mode enabled, exactly as it appears on my screen. So again, browser guest mode enabled. First letter of each word should be capitalized, no spaces in between any of this. Hit Enter on your keyboard to save that. And once you have it in there, go ahead and double click on it. And value data is 0, that means it's turned off, which is what we want for this tutorial. And if you ever wanted to undo it, you could always just delete this dword value instead of actually restoring the registry back. So giving you guys a couple options there, but you will need to restart your computer for the change to take effect, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.